As Rwandans continue to suffer under his oppressive regime, President Kagame continues to fly around the world presenting himself as a credible leader.
On Wednesday, the 7th of June, Kagame will be in Brussels attending the European Development Days 2017. And the Rwandan community in Belgium is mobilizing and will lead a large protest against him.
Rwandans continue to suffer from poverty, insecurity, injustice, and terror, and their basic rights are flouted. Unlawful imprisonment and murder have become the daily routine of a people that are subjected to silence.
While Africa is experiencing an unprecedented democratization movement and is on the threshold of a developmental awakening, Rwandans do not want to remain on the brink of history. The Rwandan people are tired of dictator Kagame and his criminality, his misuse of public funds, and the proliferation of the misery of the majority of the population. The Rwandan people are demanding the departure of dictator Kagame and the beginning of a democratic transition.
Come and join us denounce this Rwandan dictatorship and alert the Belgian and international community that we do not want Kagame's rule and that he should leave the people of Rwanda in peace.
Please come and join this noble action.